welcome back. Okay, today we're going to be talking about mating and the created humans. And for context, you should really start at video 1, otherwise you're going to have no clue what's going on. So here are the conflicting mating strategies on Earth. So this is our structure, the Nephilim, and our bigger colony. And today we're going to talk about the females of our kind, more specifically. Not the queen. We talked about the queen, but now we're going to talk about the females. And the females have multiple males. That's the structure. And all the males serve their female. So they take care of her, they give her things, they work for her, they take care of the children and things like that. And the female just exists basically to serve the colony and to serve the queen. So the males just, they pretty much do everything, and the females just kind of exist. And the females compete with each other, but they don't compete with each other the same way that like you think on Earth, like humans do. They fight for males because males provide the resources and care and service that they need because they don't do anything. And the females provide attention, affection, and meaning. Otherwise, if males don't know what to do, they have no meaning. And remember, the queen is not a female or a male. So don't go into this thinking that I'm a female, because I'm not. And the females have a whole bunch of abilities, but one of them is that they can zap the males. So if the males aren't doing what they're told, then they zap them. And it's kind of just like a headache. Like you're like, oh, in your head when they misbehave. Ouch, it hurts. And the unmodified humans are really different from us. So basically the males, like, I'm not talking about humans on Earth. These are unmodified humans. The males basically just exist and they take care of the children. And that's basically it. And the females all take care of the male. And so here on Earth, we have, among other things, but we have unmodified humans and we have modified humans. And the modified humans are the ones that were created from Nibiru. And I don't know if they want to be called Anunnaki. I mean, like, the ones on Nibiru just created them as slaves, right? So why would you want to be descendants of Anunnaki? If you want to, like, you can call yourselves that, but maybe you should all just get together and figure out what to call yourself. But for now, I'm going to call you modified humans. So for thousands of years, unmodified humans and modified humans have been like interbreeding, right? And so it's created entirely different mix of genomes. Like some humans have a lot of like my kind, not Nephilim, but my kind's DNA, and some of them have a little, and some of them have like none at all. So like none at all would be like unmodified humans. And so I'm going to give you like a little bit of an analogy to kind of understand what's going on. So let's just say that a female and a male on Earth, humans, go on a date. But actually they both could be like modified in some direction, but let's just say that the female is thinking, okay, they're thinking more of my kind structure. So the males do everything for the female and take care of the female, and the females don't do much of anything. And the male strategy is that they don't do anything and the females just take care of them. And so they're kind of like, what the heck is going on? We can't make a deal here. Nothing makes sense. And the females' abilities are diminished, so they can't zap the males to keep them in place. So some of them compromise. And so they do one-to-one, and they do the compromise thing. But it's created this new problem which is a bunch of crazy males that can't compromise. And then they create a network of crazy males. And then these crazy males are affecting other planets. And then these other planets are affecting other planets. And it's kind of having ripple effects through everywhere because of these crazy males. And what should be done about these created humans? Not just the crazy males. Yeah, I guess there's creative females on Earth, or there's crazy females on Earth too. So, but I mean, from my perspective, most of the problem is the crazy males. What should be done about these created humans? Right, the ones that are like all mixed. Well, it's my right to determine, because it's my right. And it's not a good idea to just go to a planet and just kill everyone. Like, I'm sorry, but that's not a good strategy for anything and anyone and anywhere. And so I want to see if everyone on Earth can work in harmony with our colony. And we have colonies on other planets. And you're not part of our hive consciousness, but you can obey. And so you can still work together with us and live in harmony with our colony. And we'll keep going back to this. But basically, remember, until I'm 33, I can't use any of my abilities. And so 33 is like alien puberty, and I haven't quite hit that yet. And before I've hit alien puberty, the people of Earth, I'm not everyone's responsible for the act of one, okay? But there's a big network of people on Earth who know who I am. They've been told, and they've stole my money. They've tried to kill me, tried to clone me, made me live in dirt while they rub my money in my face, spread lies about me, tried to tell everyone else someone else was me, and so on and so on. And I mean, it's one thing to literally do this, but to just watch it and take part in it, even something small. You know who I am, but then you make fun of the way I look. You know I'm the queen, but you make fun of maybe the way I speak or the way I smell. Okay? So there's a lot of people that maybe they didn't steal money from me, but they had a part to play in this. And so now the question is, what should be done about the people of Earth? And there's a lot of entities who are watching to see what the outcome of this is going to be. And so that's the end of this video. I guess in the next one, I'll go into just a little bit about how our bodies, the Nephilim, are different from human bodies.